In this video, you'll learn 3 powerful strategies that help your brain actually understand and remember what you're studying. They're called interleaving, dual coding, and elaboration. Most students think rereading notes or highlighting them or just copying them out feels like studying, but it doesn't do much for your long-term memory. If you want learning to stick, you need to do more with the information. Interleaving means mixing up different types of questions or topics while studying instead of doing all the same type at once. It might feel harder, but it improves your ability to tell problems apart and apply what you know. In the 2007 study by Rohrer and Taylor, students who mixed maths problem types outperformed those who practiced the same type over and over. Mixing helps your brain learn to choose the right method, not just repeat it. Dual coding basically means using both words and visuals to learn. It could be a diagram, a timeline, a comic strip, or just a little doodle. When you combine pictures and text, you use more areas of your brain. This strengthens your memory and helps you recall information later. It's especially good for things like science, history, and processes. This idea is based on Alan Pavio's dual coding theory. The brain remembers better when it uses multiple different pathways. In part 1, I asked you to remember 10 random words. Now let's do it again, but this time using dual coding. Elephant, monkey, tiger. Rocket, bird, aeroplane. Banana, apple, orange. Pencil. 15 seconds, write them down. Time's up. Was that easier? Imagine if you tested yourself on this tomorrow and the week after, the next month. You'd remember this random list of words forever. Elaborative encoding, as studied by researchers like McDaniel, refers to the process of actively connecting new information to existing knowledge and creating deeper associations. This technique enhances memory retention by making learning more meaningful and engaging. That's 3 reasons why. Firstly, it promotes active engagement. Elaborative encoding goes beyond simply passively receiving information. It requires learners to actively engage with the material and relate it to their existing knowledge. Secondly, it makes meaningful connections. By connecting new information to prior knowledge, students create more meaningful and memorable connections, making it easier to recall. And lastly, it has enhanced retention. Studies have consistently shown that elaborative encoding strategies significantly improve your long-term memory retention. You can combine these strategies for even better results. Try creating a study sheet that includes diagrams, a mix of questions, and your own explanations. It takes a little bit more effort, but it pays off in stronger, longer-lasting learning. Pick it up at your learning, draw it out, explain it in your own words, mix it with some questions from another topic. That's all 3 strategies in one. You have just made your brain stronger. Let's recap. Interleaving helps learners discriminate between different concepts, strengthens memory, and improves problem solving and transfer of knowledge. Dual coding works because encoding information through both channels, you can create multiple pathways in your memory, making it easier to retrieve later. Elaboration adds meaning and depth, making it easier to retrieve and creating a deeper understanding. These aren't just tricks, they're research-backed strategies used by the best students around the world. Learning how to learn is the ultimate study skill. Coming up next, how your brain stays motivated, why focus is hard, and how to use your dopamine for good.